Imagine this. You're 65 years old, ready to retire, and you look into your savings jar, only to realize it's almost empty. Scary, right? Now, imagine a second scenario. You open your investment account and bam, it's overflowing, and your future self is thanking you. Which future would you choose? If you're here, you probably feel the pressure of inflation, rising costs, and the overwhelming fear of, what if I never save enough? But don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple steps to start investing, even if you have no idea where to begin. And trust me, the earlier you start, the more your money can work for you. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Set clear goals. Step 1. Before you start throwing money into stocks or mutual funds, ask yourself, why am I investing? Are you saving for retirement? Buying a house? Or maybe you just want to stop worrying about bills? Without a goal, investing is like shooting an arrow in the dark. You'll miss every time. And no, the goal isn't become a millionaire tomorrow. That's gambling, not investing. Unless, of course, you have a secret lottery hack I don't know about. So once your goals are clear, it's time to tackle the big question. Step 2. Understand your risk tolerance. Step 2. How much risk can you handle? Think of investing like a roller coaster. Some people love the adrenaline, others scream at every turn. Which one are you? If the thought of losing money gives you sleepless nights, you'll want safer options like bonds or index funds. But if you're excited by the idea of growth and okay with occasional dips, stocks might be your jam. Here's the kicker. The sooner you know your limits, the sooner you'll avoid those sleepless nights staring at a plummeting portfolio. And speaking of avoiding disasters, the next step might be the most important of all. Step 3. Learn the basics. Step 3. Learn the lingo. I know, finance terms can sound like a foreign language. Diversification, ETFs, compound interest. But here's the deal. If you don't understand what you're investing in, you're playing with fire. Would you drive a car without knowing how the brakes work? Exactly. So, grab a beginner's book or watch more videos like this one. But here's the fun part. Once you've got the basics, you can start exploring where to invest. Step 4. Choose your investment platform. Step 4. Pick your playground. Today, investing is as easy as downloading an app, Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity. But don't just go for the trendiest one. I'll let you in on a secret. The best platform isn't the one everyone talks about. It's the one that matches your goals and fees. And fees can quietly drain your profits if you're not careful. Think about it. You're investing to grow your money, not to pay someone else's salary. Which brings us to the final and my favorite step. Step 5. Start small and stay consistent. Step 5. Start small, but start now. You don't need thousands of dollars to invest. Just $5 a week can grow into a fortune over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Every day you wait is a day your money isn't working for you. The urgency is real. Start today, even if it's tiny. Think of it this way. Skip one fancy coffee, invest the $5 instead, and one day that coffee might pay for your dream vacation. And if you're wondering how a few bucks can grow into thousands, stay tuned for my next video. See? Investing doesn't have to be complicated or scary. With these 5 simple steps, you can start building wealth today. Now, here's your action plan. Write down your financial goals. Research one investing app. Invest $5 this week. And don't stop there. Remember, the biggest mistake isn't losing money. It's not starting at all. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's stopping you from starting today? Oh, and don't miss my next video where I'll reveal the best beginner investments that anyone can afford.